Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video of Flaviaatee. Literally coming to you guys in like a cozy attire, cozy vibe, and that's because, as you can tell from the title, we are going on holiday. Yeah, I said it, we're going on holiday, as in like you and me, we're going on holiday. So what does that mean? We have to pack our bags, right? We gotta pack our bags. Like, we can't go on holiday and not be prepared. Like, it just doesn't make sense. Do you get it? So in this video, you're literally gonna be packing with me to go on holiday. I'm still don't know if I want to say the destination of where I'm going to yet, but then you might be able to tell from the title where I'm going. So yeah, I don't know. I've kind of decided later on, like future me will decide whether I'm going to put in the title. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. My name is Flaviaatee, as I did say. I do lifestyle content, I do fashion sometimes. I do a little bit of everything on this channel so you guys can get to know me as a person. If that's something that you do like, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, join the family, join the gang, because we're really on the way to 2K, guys. Like, I'm literally, I think I'm under 20 subscribers away from being 2K, like 2K, like 2,000 friends. 2,000 friends, that's absolutely amazing. I'm currently sitting down because I was gonna start the video standing up and packing my clothes first, but then I was like, let me pack my makeup first with you guys. So I feel like that way it makes a little bit more sense. I might be backwards, I'm not gonna lie, but anyways, I'm gonna pack my makeup bag first. I picked this up from Primark. If you watch my weekly vlog, you know I got this from Primark literally not too long ago. It's cute and it's massive, so hopefully it should fit everything that I have in my makeup compartment. And we're literally gonna fill this bag up. Let's actually see if we get to the top. I hope we manage to get everything in here, because I mean, I don't have a lot of makeup, but I have a lot of makeup. Does that make sense? It also have brush holders at the back, which is really nice. This is the one I normally use, so we're gonna take everything from this bag to this bag. Will I actually fill up this whole bag? This bag is actually looking quite big compared to this. Whenever I have to pack my makeup bag, I literally go in chronological order. So what do I start with? I start with my eyebrows, meaning I need to make sure I have my eyebrow pencil, right? On my days, excuse me, no, I don't even start with my eyebrows. I start with primer. You gotta prep your skin first, guys. So this is literally the first thing that we're gonna be putting into this bag. It is the Holidayyy Skin Food Cream. I actually really like it. It does wonders for my skin personally, and I do have sensitive skin. My skin does not take to a lot of things, but it does take to that, so that's something. And then I go in with my eyebrows. I occasionally do use the NYX Honey Up Primer Base, so I'm gonna add this into my bag. I might actually want to use this when I'm on holiday, so that's another thing that I'm putting in. And then I go in with my eyebrows. So I use these. I'm gonna put these in as well. I think I only need one packet. I don't think I need two. However, I do have a smaller one for when I'm going out, so I have one for that occasion essentially. This in my bag. After I filled in my eyebrows, what do I do next? I conceal. So I need to get my concealer. I need to make sure this is the correct one, because I actually have two. One that's almost finished. Put that in my bag. And then what do I do next? I literally have to go in that type of order. After I do my eyebrows, I blend, so I need to make sure I bring my beauty blender. Foundation. I'm taking this one. This is the only one that I found that's close to my skin shade. This is the H&B Cosmetics foundation. Mwah, love this. Then I conceal underneath my eyes using the same concealer, and then I brighten it up with this e.l.f. one in this shade Deep Caramel. If you want to see a proper in-depth tutorial of me doing my makeup, I actually do have one on my channel. I'm probably gonna do another one real soon, so stay tuned for that. And then if I want like a really bright under eye, I go in with a little bit lighter one. Right, after I've done that, I use beauty blender to buff it, and then I use my contour. So this is actually a foundation one from H&B Cosmetics, but I use this as contour. Do that. Oh, and then I need my contour brush. I love this angled brush so much. I got this from Primark. I use a blender. I need this. Guys, I'm literally like I can't forget anything. I really can't, because it will be a crucial step that I forget and it will very annoy me. Contour brush already. And then I need blush. So I bought this blush the other day from Primark. Again, if you watch my recent vlog, I bought this in Primark with you guys. This is the Revolution collection in Primark. I'm gonna try this out on holiday, but I always have to make sure I have my go-to Revolution palette, because the pink in here, pink and orange that I mix. My bronzer from H&B Cosmetics. My tweezers, cannot forget these, because I might be putting lashes on, I don't know yet. and my eraser for my eyebrows. I need to actually leave this out because I'm gonna touch on my eyebrows. So far, this is what it's looking like. It's looking like basically halfway there, to be fair. Yeah, halfway there. I'm gonna pack a small tub of gummy wax because you can't bring the big one. Last time, guys, all my days, last time when I went on holiday, I think I went to Madrid or Montenegro, I think it was. I was going through security and I bought a big tub of gummies. So like, it was literally a big tub like this, and it was basically fresh. I got to security, they opened my bag and was like, we need to throw this. I said, what? Luckily it was only like £5, so it was okay, but still, like, a fresh tub of gummy. Do you know how long gummy lasts me? Oh, I was so upset. But anyways, I learned my lesson the hard way, and I'm putting it in this small pot. I bought these clips with you guys, so these ones, and I feel like that is it for my makeup bag. I don't want to overfill it, but I feel like this is a lot. This is actually a lot. I can't believe it. But yeah, this is all that I'm bringing for makeup. I feel like I'm going to probably add some more things. I don't wear a lot of makeup, but I'm just trying to look around to see if I left anything. Oh, paracetamol. I'll put that in there. Paracetamol, you just never know. I think that's all for the makeup section. Now let's actually go to the clothes section. I'm going to change the angle with you guys because we're dealing with clothes now, so we gotta stand up, okay? Change position. Hopefully the lighting's alright because my window's there clearly, as you can see, and I'm facing away from it. Anyways, I'm coming over to like my clothes section so we can sort out what I'm wearing over the couple of weeks on holiday. I was just about to say where I was going. I was just about to say, but I'm not gonna tell you guys yet, okay? I'm sorry. I'm just not gonna tell you guys yet. So in regards to like, let me get my phone actually, because I've literally bookmarked and planned every single day. So I'm flying out on Tuesday. My flight's at like 5:55 in the morning, so I'm not gonna be wanting to do too much in the morning, okay? So I've decided to actually go with, I bought a two-piece a couple of vlogs ago when I went to Greece, I believe it was. It's this literal two-piece jacket. Let me actually zip it out so you guys can see. This is part of a two-piece. It's literally a jacket like this. I was thinking to wear this and my black Gym Beast leggings because, you know, we always have to rep. I'm not gonna lie, we always have to rep. And then inside I was gonna wear a black vest to the airport. And I don't know about shoes yet. I don't know. Because I'm really thinking when we land in the destination, it's gonna be very hot. So I don't want to be wearing too much stuff. So in regards to like the top half, shoes I feel like I'm gonna sort out a little bit later. But this is what I'm gonna be wearing. That's one outfit done. When we land at the destination, I'm probably gonna wear the same outfit because we land in the morning. So it's not like I'm be wearing the clothes for a long time. Does that make sense? So I feel like, yeah, I can still wear that. And if anything, I'm gonna change into shorts. I have shorts. Again, if you've been watching my vlogs, this is from a vlog that I literally just posted. These are Primark shorts, literal Primark shorts. These are not booty riders, so I really like these. So I'm gonna bring this as well. This is gonna be something that I can wear. But I do need like a vest top to go with this. So I'm thinking, yeah, this is perfect. I'm thinking this shirt top. This is literal perfect. But I was thinking this top. Obviously I'm gonna be eyeing it out, guys, so don't even watch that. But I was thinking this green top with the shorts if I want to change into something more like, you know, appropriate for the weather, because I will be coming in leggings and I don't know how the weather's gonna be. Well, I know how the weather's gonna be, but you know what I mean, like it's gonna be hot. So I'm gonna change into this if anything. So this is my like outfit for the day when I land at my destination. Continuing on throughout the day, obviously towards the night, it's gonna get dark, nighttime, bedtime situation. I picked up this two-piece set from Primark. It's a pajama set, so I'm gonna bring this with me. Really cute, really simple, and just easy to just throw on. Do you get it? Day one done. Now let's move on to day two. Day two, I'm doing an activity on day two towards like the late afternoon times, around like 4:30. So I'm thinking I can actually still wear the shorts because of the activity I'm doing. Okay, it's a bit difficult because you guys don't know where I'm going, but I feel like if I tell you the activity, I can do it in any country. I'm going camel riding, right? And I feel like in order to be comfortable, I need to wear something that's obviously, you know, comfortable, like not too tight on my skin. So I'm thinking I can actually wear the shorts that I wore on day one again, just with a different top. Yeah, let's do that, just with a different top. I can also wear this shirt over it, so I can wear like a white crop top if I can find one, a white crop top, and then wear this shirt over. This is quite a big shirt as well, it's quite big. So yeah, I'm gonna pack this actually, and again it's gonna be ironed, guys, so don't watch the situation right now. It's just going in a suitcase, so there's no point ironing it right now. But I'm gonna get this, and then I'm gonna find a white crop top. I know I have a white crop top somewhere. In the evening on the first night, I know we're gonna go out for dinner, because that's just that type of babe me and my friend are. So I'm thinking to actually wear these pair of trousers I got from Zara. I'm literally obsessed, like I love it so much. I just love the color, and I feel like it suits the aesthetic of where I'm going, to be very honest with you. So I'm gonna wear these trousers along with these Primark sliders that I got the other day, and then I'm gonna pair it with this like frilly situation of a top. I tried it on the other day and I really liked it, so I feel like it's just one of them ones where you have to actually see it on me for you to understand the vision, because I can't just be holding it up, and I don't know if you guys will understand it. That's literally the outfit for dinner on the first full day that we get there. That's literally dinner outfit. I know my friend's actually bringing heels, so I might actually pair this outfit with heels. Like I got some clear heels. Yeah, I think I might do that. I'm gonna bring some heels as well. I've got some clear heels, so I'm gonna pack that as well, because I know she's bringing kit on heels and I don't want her to be the only one wearing heels. I know how we are, so I'm gonna bring some heels. I need to figure out which ones I'm gonna bring, but I'm looking towards like the clear heel situation. But yeah, this is the first dinner outfit. On the second day, so the second day, like the second full day, which is the 11th, we are doing some cooking activities. So I picked up these, what did I say, not baggy, flared situation of loose fit trousers that I actually love. Like it's giving modest, I'm not gonna lie. And then I'm gonna pair it with this shirt, short sleeve shirt situation. Again, it's one of them ones where you have to actually see it on me for you to actually understand what I'm talking about. But y'all, listen, hang in with me and understand the vision that this is gonna look cute, okay? And then I'm gonna wear it with my brown sliders from the previous outfit, because I feel like it will definitely complement the trousers and it just makes sense. I actually went shopping today with my mom, and we went into TK Maxx and we saw these sliders. I did pick up sliders from Primark the other day, but if you watch my vlog again, I mentioned in my last video, I mentioned that the sliders I actually picked up, my feet weren't really on the squishy part of the shoe, and I didn't really like it. So I then saw these in TK Maxx. These were actually $12.99, so I picked these up. These are so cute sandals. I can even wear them like in any other destination. So yeah, I picked these up. This is a size 7 and they fit so well as well, and my toes are done, so it's gonna look so cute. It's gonna look so cute. I also picked up this corset. Now the place that I'm going, I saw online that you're not supposed to be showing your shoulders, but I was seeing TikToks of people actually going and wearing whatever they kind of like fancy to wear, and there was like, it was off the show the top. So I was like, okay, cool, like now I might bring it just in case. I might change my mind and wear it. But I bought this corset top. This is so cute. I'm not sure what trousers I want to bring it with, because none really tickles my fancy, if I'm being so honest. But I definitely had to make sure that I bought this corset top. Like I got this from Zara and this was like £30, and I was like, this is definitely a steal, and it was only one medium left. So I was like, yeah, I definitely need to steal that right now, because if I come back it won't be here. There's only one medium left. It was just a sign. It was honestly just a sign. On the Friday we are driving back to where we got the airport from, so I need to have like a chilled outfit for that. I don't know if I'm gonna wear trousers or shorts for that, because again, well, I know the weather, but I don't want to like risk it completely. I might actually bring this cord. I feel like I'm so in love with cords recently. Like I don't know what it is. I bought this cord to Greece last year and it was really cute. It was shorts situation. So I'm thinking to wear this. It's very like light as well, it's not too heavy. Thinking to wear this with the matching shorts, but these might be too short, come to think of it. Oh no, this is not my dress. This is cute. I even forgot I had this off the shoulder dress that I can actually pair it with the pink shirt and black sliders. Yes please, I think I'm gonna bring this. Every time I pack, I feel like I know the outfits that I want, but then I go through my wardrobe and I'm like, no, I want to bring that too, and I want to bring that as well, and that too. It's like I keep adding more things to my luggage. Like, what? I know we're gonna be going to a place that has a swimming pool, so I need to bring my swimming kit. Swimming kit, lol. I need to bring my bikini because I gotta make sure that I'm actually prepped. I went to Zara and I didn't get new pairs of socks. I always buy new socks, but then I always end up losing it and it's so annoying. I'm not gonna need a lot of socks, to be fair, because obviously where we're going it's quite hot, so you don't really, it's not ideal to bring socks, but I'm gonna bring some just in case, because you never know what's gonna happen. Might start raining, God forbid, because I do not want rain. But it might start raining and I just don't know. The other day I picked up panties, so we gotta make sure we bring them. So I got 3 there. I'm going for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. We gotta make sure we're stacked up, sweetie. So 1. The only thing that's missing is perfume and accessories. In regards to perfume, I don't know what to bring. How much is this? Oh, it doesn't even say. Oh, this is 100 milliliters. I think I might bring this perfume. This is Versed from Amazon. Guys, when I tell you, this perfume is absolutely amazing. Someone even mistaked this for Mugler one time. It's not. And this is only like £20, I believe. But he got it for me for Valentine's Day. And this was the biggest shout ever. Like, oh, I love it. I'm going to bring this. And I'm going to bring this one, which I believe it is, yeah, cashmere, and this is only 30 milliliters, so this will definitely pass. So I'm gonna bring these two as a fragrance I'm gonna be using out there. I really don't need a lot of fragrances, so I think 2 is fine, guys. 2 is fine. Ooh, sunscreen. I don't wear sunscreen in the UK, which is so bad. I'm not consistent with it. I'm really not. And I'm even like, I can't believe I'm actually saying this right now, but I actually don't. But I'm gonna bring it in my luggage, so if I see it, I'm gonna be like, oh yeah, sunscreen, I need to wear it. I'm gonna put this in my makeup bag because I don't want to forget. I really don't. In regards to cream, I need to top up my cream, so I use this French one, and I'm gonna put it in here because this is definitely over. Yeah, it's 500 milliliters, and yeah, that's not going abroad. So I need to literally just top it up. That's my cream, cannot forget this. Now, in regards to bags, I'm definitely gonna bring this bag because I'm wearing a lot of like neutrals and browns. And I'm thinking to also bring this white one, this one, and I have a black one. I have this black one that I bought recently, this one, and this one. All of these are actually all from Primark, guys. Can you believe it? Actually, no, I think this is from Shein. I think this is from Shein. But these 2 are from Primark. These are the bags I'm going to be bringing. Not too much. But this, I think this will do for the duration. I'm looking around to try and rattle my brain to see if I left anything. And I don't think I have anything else to pack. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I literally just want you guys to watch me pack. And like, I'm basically holding myself accountable for all of the things that I'm packing. So yeah, I don't think I have anything else to pack, to be fair. So I'm gonna literally end out the vlog. What? Vlog. I'm so used to doing vlogs. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna end out the video right here. This video will probably come out on Wednesday. Hopefully it comes out on Wednesday. And if it does come on Wednesday, make sure you comment this emoji so I know that you've been watching. I'm gonna be doing that to every single video that I literally post. So make sure you comment the emoji on the screen. But without further ado, Flaviaa loves you always. I'm gonna catch you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the travel vlog, because the next vlog after this is gonna be me on holiday. Well, actually it's gonna be us on holiday because you're coming with me. Okay, so I'm gonna catch you guys in that vlog. Bye.